To send money from Australia to Canada, you will need to follow a series of steps that ensure a secure and efficient transfer of funds. The first step is to choose a money transfer service, such as a bank, online money transfer provider, or a foreign exchange specialist. Research and compare the services, fees, and exchange rates offered by different providers to find the best option for your needs. Once you have selected a service, you will need to create an account, which typically requires providing identification and contact information. This is a standard procedure to comply with anti-money laundering regulations and to verify your identity. The next step is to provide the recipient's details, including their name, address, and bank account information in Canada. Ensure that the recipient's information is accurate to avoid any delays or issues with the transfer. After providing the recipient's details, you will need to specify the amount you want to send and select the currency, which in this case is Canadian dollars. The service will then provide you with an estimate of the exchange rate and the total cost of the transfer, including any fees. To proceed with the transfer, you will need to fund the transaction using a payment method accepted by the service, such as a bank transfer, credit card, or debit card. The processing time for the transfer will depend on the service and the payment method used, but most transfers are completed within 1 to 3 business days. It is essential to review the transfer details carefully before confirming the transaction to ensure that all the information is accurate and complete. You should also keep a record of the transfer, including the transaction reference number and the expected delivery date. Some key concepts to keep in mind when sending money from Australia to Canada include exchange rates, transfer fees, and processing times. Exchange rates can fluctuate frequently, so it is crucial to compare rates and find the best deal. Transfer fees can also vary, so be sure to factor these into your calculation. Processing times can range from a few hours to several days, depending on the service and the payment method used. To get the best value for your money, consider using a service that offers competitive exchange rates and low fees. Additionally, be aware of any transfer limits or restrictions that may apply, and ensure that you comply with all relevant regulations and laws. By following these steps and considering these key concepts, you can send money from Australia to Canada quickly, securely, and efficiently. Always research and compare services to find the best option for your needs, and carefully review the transfer details to ensure a smooth and successful transaction.